If you're looking for a way to make money this week in your trading, then you may have to look in the direction of GBPUSD because it presents a great opportunity for you to make at least 200 to 300 pips. So pay attention as I explain what you are going to expect from this currency pair this week. Looking at the daily chart from this very point, you observe that since the 20th of May, down to this very point, we've not got the market close below this level. However, after the FOMC last week, we had this very massive drop that's closed below this level. So we're having an increased bearish momentum with that move. So with the recovery of this level, that has increased the bearish pressure, which now opens the way to this level and then this level. So observe that this very candle here had little or no retracement. So the next candle that started just dropped without any retracement at all. You must understand that liquidity is created whenever there is large candlesticks like this. So this very candlestick created loss of liquidity here, and this one created loss of liquidity here, and the market is always attracted to liquidity. So since there was no pullback to clear up the liquidity at this area, the market is most likely to be attracted to that area. Okay, so we'll see this market pull back to clear up this liquidity around here, and also some of the liquidities up here. So most likely what we're going to have is to see the market move up into this area of 1.2780, 1.2800 zone. So once we're able to get to that area, we should be looking for a short opportunity that will take the price back down to this level, then to this level. So this is not the best place to start selling immediately. There are some liquidities around here, so we may see the market clear up some of those liquidities, then drop down to this area. This is just my opinion. The market may choose to continue down even without retracing. So I would like to hear your own thoughts on this currency pair. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.